Good morning, students. We learned the previous class like tables, additions. Okay, using the additions methods, you need to solve from your textbooks. Okay, now how to solve the subtraction? Very simple. In like some techniques are there. In this, we need to remember the base, complement method. In this, some tricks we need to remember. Other tricks like numbers we need to remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is what in this method it's called as a base complement method. Nothing but one friend is 9. Okay. 2 friend is 8. 3 friend is 7. 4 friend is 6. 5 friend is 6. So in one's place wherever the 1 will come means we should take the number 9. In place of 2, 8. 8 means 2. 7 means 3. 3 means 7. 4 means 6. 6 means 4. 5 means 5. 5 friend is 5. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now instead of 6, we should say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 after that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. So like this we should remember the 5. Now how to solve the subtraction number in suppose with carry 57, 38 for example. See, 8 is we cannot borrow means here. So in that case, how to do this one? Simple. 5 minus 3. We will start from the left to the right. Means from here in this book. In the actually common method, we will follow the right to left. Here 5 minus 3 we know that's what 2. Now to borrow here instead of that what we can do now this number is bigger than this number. So simple. Cut off this 2, write 1. Simple. Now 8. 8 friend is 2. So 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 9. So write the answer. How to see? General method see 5, 7, 38. Okay, minus 7 can't go from here. Borrow 1. 17. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 means how much we get? 9. Then here remains 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So instead of that, you can write like this. But here, if this smaller number is there, you can do in this method. If this bigger number means you can't solve. If this like bigger number like 9, 7, 8, 3, 2, 5 minus. So same. Say 9 minus 3 is 6. Now 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. 5. 8 minus 5. 3. Okay. This is what all numbers are bigger and these numbers are smaller. You find like this. If the numbers are write the reciprocal. Reciprocal in the sense. Right, you can write 9 to 5, okay, 3, 7, 8. If this type of number, now 5, 8 can't go, 2, 7 can't go, but 9, here 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 6, 9 minus 9 minus 3 is 6. We know this. Now 2 minus 7, don't know. 5 minus 8. So for this simple, remove, reduce one number. 6 minus 5, 6 minus 1 means 5. Now 7. Now base number is 7. This base number 7 means what? Friend is 7. 7 friend is 3. So take the 3. So 3 plus 2, 5. Now again 5 we cannot subtract from 8, cannot subtract from the 5. That means strike off 1 reduce, that's a 4, and base 8 friend is base 8 is 2. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So answer is 5, 4, 7. The answer. Very simple. Okay. You can solve number of sums in this method, like 8, 9, 7, 6, 5. Such big number. So 3, 2, 5. No, sorry. 3, 2, 8, 9. Then you can say 7. Okay. Such big numbers are like how many 5-digit numbers are there? How to do? 8 minus 3. Very simple. 8 minus 3 is 5. Oh, again is a simple one, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 how much? 7. It also simple. But comes to here 7 minus 8. Start. 8 minus 3 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8. 8 plus 8. I missed into bar. Already we took know how. No. We should base complement method to follow. Now this 7 strike off that 6, right? Base is 8. The base 8 friend is who? 2. So 2 plus 7, 9. Okay. Now again see here 6, 9. No. So 8. So the base number 9. Base number 9. Base friend is who? 9 and 9 friend is who? 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Now 7 also it can't go. So 6. Reduce 1, 6. Now the base is 7. 7 friend is 3. So 3 plus 5, 8. So the answer is 5, 6, 8, 6, 8. Means 56,868. This is the answer. I think it's clear. Okay. You want to any one bigger number? I almost I took the 5-digit numbers. Okay. Almost I took this number. So okay, if someone will have doubts, no, in between any number will comes in zeros. How to do that one? Right? You have doubts? Okay, I'll make it that one also clear. For example, yeah, I'm thinking about to remove this one. So instead of here, I'll take the 0. Okay, how to do this? Right? Okay, now 8 minus 3, we know 5. And now 8, 0 we cannot do. So 4. Now base 2. Base 2 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. So 8. Like this. Then remaining methods are same. So again you can't go. It's a 7. Base 8 is means 8 friend is 2. 2 plus 7, 9. Again 9 means it's 8. 9 friend is 1. 1 plus 6, 7. Again 6. 7 friend is 3. 3 plus 2 is 8. So answer is 47,868. See, just I changed one number. Answer is changed. So means somebody maybe have doubts if there is a 0 is there, how to do. Okay, so that is the reason I should change this. I think now everyone is clear about the subtraction, how to solve the subtraction, and whatever the problems are given in your textbook, okay, in your classes. So use this method. You won't get not even 10 to 15 seconds. Very quickly can. I explain slowly so that I took this much time. But once you practice this one, just directly 8 minus 3, 5. Then this is number is minus 10, 4 will comes. The 2 friend is 8. 2 friend is 8. So 8. Then next 7. 7 means base number is 8 friend is 2. So 2 plus 7 is 9. And then 9 friend is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Then 1 remove. Then 6. Then base number is 7. 7 friend is 3. 3 plus 5. So like this. Or you can instead of 8 minus 3. 2 friend is 8. Subtract, remove, reduce one number. Then 7. 8 friend is 2. 2 plus 5 is 9. 9 friend is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 friend is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. So that's all the answer. I think it's very clear. So I think you understood the additions and subtraction. Next we'll start the multiplication. There are number of methods are there. I'll explain the different methods to how to find out the multiplication. Okay. Thank you.